guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today's video is all about decluttering and organizing. I am working through my 10 weeks of clutter-free home. I will have my blog post linked down below so you see what I'm working on. Week 2 is office and decluttering emails, decluttering paperwork, and also organizing my desk and decluttering it. So I will not be boring you with all the paperwork and emails because really, who wants to watch that? So I'm just going to share how I declutter and organize my desk. So without further ado, I'm going to get started on decluttering and organizing, and you guys hopefully find this motivating to get stuff decluttered in your home. So here is my little office nook all finished up. I did a huge declutter with me last year where I completely overhauled this shelf. So I will link the video down below, but so you can kind of have a look as to how I did it, and I think I did it how I organized it and all that stuff. So over here I'm just going to show you a quick kind of overview. I keep most of my memory keeping over here, and then over here I have my stamps, wooden stamps and my acrylic stamps and my paint. Then over here I keep all my electronic stuff, extra chargers, extra like just cables, chargers, anything that is kind of goes along with electronics. These are pretty much empty binders that in case if I need them. There is one binder that I still haven't returned to my dad, and then these are just a couple planners from last year that I'm still referencing to, and the year before. And then here are my binders. So the two binders that are missing here is my Disney planning binder and my holiday planning binder. They're still upstairs. I need to bring those down. And then, like I said, memory keeping, and there's just some extra pencils and stuff. And then over here I have, oh no, actually my Disney planning binder is down here. So that goes up here. And then here I have so that's my own Disney planning binder. And then this stuff is related to my Disney planning business because I am a Disney planner. So I just have kind of just forms that I need and stuff like that. Down there is my little caddy with all my planning stickers. This here is a bin of all my kids' school stuff, from grade school to high school, just things that I want. It's kind of like memory keeping. This is my little filing cabinet, which is bursting at seams, and I need to get an actual filing cabinet, but my husband said he wants a new one. So he has a really nice one that he doesn't want anymore, but still needs until he replaces that one. So just waiting on that. So like I said, extra binders and things like that. This is just a little thing I'm going to be working on. And then this is my portable office caddy. I take this upstairs and downstairs, put everything I need from downstairs when I go upstairs, because usually I have tons of stuff that I have to take with me upstairs when I'm leaving with the kids. So I need to just have a caddy that I can put everything in. This is just my planner stuff and my like travel planners and my computer little pouch for traveling, just things to take the planners in. And then the bottom one is just miscellaneous. And I have my little arts and crafts apron hanging there. Then over here, I rearranged the desk a little bit from last time. I don't know whether I actually showed you how I did that, but anyways, here I'm going to keep all the financings instead of having it in like 3 different binders. I'm putting all of my businesses into one. Then just little folders of everything that I need at hand or working on and things like that. Then just some office supplies, my daily calendar, desk calendar, and then my little organization. Now this desk doesn't actually have like a drawer. This is a keyboard pullout, but I have a laptop, so I don't use this, and the desktop is in my husband's office, so I don't ever, like, he doesn't want this. So and I just had all these baskets. When I organize, I try to kind of keep things, because I have so much stuff at home. I feel kind of dumb going out and spending money on new organizing solutions when I have all this stuff at home. If I need something, like when I went out and bought all these little bins, I needed something to store all my wooden stamps, so that's why I ended up buying them. But for stuff like this, I had all of these baskets. Like I must have had like 100 of them because somebody had donated for arts and crafts, and I've used them so many times and I can still use them, so I just use them here for that. And this is a computer box which works really well just to keep all the little notepads here. And then yeah, so this is how I organize that. Then over here I just have some extra pencils, highlighters, and permanent markers, and this is a bit of like a drop zone bin. And then down here I have all my extra notepads that I use for various things. I have my filing system for my taxes down there, and then this is a project bin, and then my hole punch for my happy planner, which currently I'm not using any happy planners, but I'm sure I will be. And then over here, moving on, this idea for this cork board I got from A Bowl Full of Lemons. She's on Instagram. You should check her out if you are not following along with her. She's awesome. See it for yourself. This is my little Miracle Morning Caddy. I've got my Simple Abundance of Joy that I've working through it for the 3rd year. And then I just have a book I'm reading, my gratitude journal, and my fitness journal, and my headphones for working out and meditation, my Cricut machine, and then my cleaning card system is here. Then just my to-do lists for my home, my YouTube, and my blog. This is all for my daycare stuff. Then I have my hourly calendar here as well that just kind of stays here, and I add stuff, take stuff away. My little workspace where I do all my arts and crafts, my lights, my camera, the camera I'm using now as well, and then my vision board. And then over here I have a little bin that I put all my little camera supplies. So the stuff that's left for me to do, so this is how I organize my office. Now, part of this week for Clean and Declutter, so for my clutter-free home, what I'm gonna be working on now is my tax stuff, filing all that stuff, deleting my old emails, and decluttering my external hard drive and my iCloud. Those things there's no really point of showing them to you, so that's why I kind of did the office declutter and organization instead of boring you with all the paperwork, I guess. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day. And if you're wondering what I'm doing each week, the blog post will be linked down below, so check it out. And there are some free printables for you as well. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching.